When I built my house 20 years ago, I installed two 50-gallon gas water heaters, one here and one right over there. At the time, they were the most efficient water heater on the market, but after 20 years, I'm even surprised they lasted that long, and sediment that's probably accumulated in the bottom of it is making them just not as efficient as they could be. And I've actually found a unit that I'm going to be able to replace them with. I'll be able to eliminate both of these and go back with just one. The heater we're putting in is called the Vertex, and I got the idea from a guy who's no stranger to our show and knows a thing or two about this stuff, Ed Begley Jr. Now, besides being an actor and an outspoken environmentalist, Ed is also quite a gadget junkie.
I start right away with solar. I got a solar tank right here that starts everything. I've had this for years, and that's heating the water for showers and laundry. I don't have a pool or anything, but it's great for showers and laundry. What I used to do is take the water out of this solar tank that would preheat it, do most of the work a lot of the year, and then I would send it to an old 1980s natural gas heater. I replaced that with this A.O. Smith Vertex 100, 100,000 BTU. So besides the energy efficiency with its high Energy Star rating, Rochelle's happy because she's got a lot more hot water for showers.
Right. And you're giving it kind of a head start with already preheating a little bit.
We're doing most of the heavy lifting, not just in the hot summer months, but wintertime. I see this in kind of a cloudy day. It'll preheat that water to 75, 80 degrees, doing half the heavy lifting from that 55-degree DWP, water coming out of the pipe. So this is a great unit. 96% thermal efficiency.
Yeah,
that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I really, really like it. I got a couple of other gadgets here. It not only takes the water from the solar tank here and heats it for showers and laundry, it sends it also to my heating and air unit there. So that hot water is what's giving us the heat for the house.
Now, you've had this for a while. How are those bills looking for you?
I'm telling you, I've never been more impressed, Danny. Half. My natural gas bills were low anyway because I'm very well insulated here. One half on my natural gas bills. That's pretty substantial.
Oh, absolutely. And one of the things about the whole makeup of this type of unit that impressed me is that simply the idea of it exhaust through a PVC pipe, that it has so little heat that's escaping from it that you can do it with a PVC pipe instead of all of this double insulated type of metal pipe as old water heaters are.
And we got two ducts which really make a difference. One duct coming in brings in the air for the combustion inside this unit. The other with exhaust, as you say, going out. Because the reason I could never seal up the basement here, I wanted to seal it up for better insulation factor for my house. I couldn't do it because I had open flame. Open flame here, open flame there. Now one flame here, but ducted in and ducted out for super efficiency. I got another little thing I want to show you.
Okay.
This is my favorite thing, Danny. Right up here you might be able to see this unit connected to the internet. There's a modem there, a wireless modem and what have you. And what this does is it sends a signal wherever I am in the world, Danny. I can get online and see if Rochelle is taking a long shower.
Oh, no, she doesn't like that.
She didn't like that at all. Rochelle, I happen to know that you're taking a long shower, but you're in Schenectady. How can you know that? Trust me, I know. I get online and I know when this thing's been on a while.
She's going to find out where that plug is right there.
I know. I'm going to have to put a padlock on that.
Now, the installation that Artie the plumber is doing back at my house doesn't have all those bells and whistles for remote monitoring, but I am hoping to see some of those savings that Ed was bragging about. It's been a couple weeks since Artie and his crew completed the installation of my water heater. Now, before I had two water heaters, now I only have one. I was a little concerned about that, but over the last 2 weeks, we've had plenty of hot water here in the house. And I just can't wait to see what this thing does to my gas bill.